2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach?
So while I still get a little bit of sunlight, I want to show y'all a little bit of what I got so far from the groceries. I'm still waiting on one more grocery order to come in from Amazon Fresh. These are just my whole food goodies. I put some of them up in there because I was just doing stuff and I had to sit down and have me a little snacky snack, which is something that I did buy for the first time to try, which was these Atlantic salmon snack cubes. They come in this box, and baby, they're almost gone. Like, they're so good. Like, I can't hold you. And then I had a little kimchi with it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So let me just get to it. I put some stuff up, so I'm gonna bring it out so I can show y'all. I got some farm raised shrimp that's peeled and deveined, tail off. So yeah, and I got the small. Did I get the small ones? I guess they're small or normal size because it's coming like 50 to 60. These, y'all, if you never had these and you're vegan or you're a pescatarian, these. Oh my God, or vegetarian also. Fire. I haven't tried the teriyaki ones. The teriyaki ones is new. I'm excited. I might make these tonight. But the teriyaki ones, and then these what got me. The buffalo ones. I got 2 bags of these because they just that good. And then, y'all, I'm trying to get into some more like plant-based meats and stuff like that. So I was like, you know, when I first bought this, I was a little nervous. I'm like, I hope it's not like that gummy, chewy, mushy type of texture that a lot of vegan meats be when I like try them and stuff like that. But especially from Beyond, whatever, because I don't know, it be something about it. But this is what they got right. They got these steak strips right. I be putting it when I be making, I make this pasta like 3-4 times with these. And then I add a shrimp in it and stuff like that, of course. But I pan sear these and stuff, and I do them until like they really crispy looking and stuff like that, so it got a little crunch to it, a little sear on the outside, and then, you know, I put it into my pasta and stuff. But then I be eating it by itself and whatever too, because it's that good. But I'm gonna put these up. And then I got me some mussels and garlic butter sauce. Y'all, I haven't had mussels in so long that I was so excited when I seen these. Like, I'm always eating oysters and yeah, and I'm just like, I miss my mussels. So I think I got some crab legs and stuff, and I got some shrimp and some eggs. I might make me a little, you know, a little boil, you feel me? And toss them up in there, make me some nice little Cajun sauce or whatever. Yeah, it's gonna be that. But yeah, I got that. Let's see. I'm gonna put that up. I got some trim green beans because yeah, your girl is back in the gym being healthy, so I had to get up. And I opened this already because I had some of the kimchi with my salmon cubes and stuff. But I got me some kimchi, just the classic kimchi. With red pepper. This is actually my first time eating kimchi, so I'm really, really happy that I do like it how I thought I was gonna like it. So yeah, it's real good. I got me 2 pounds. Well, it's under 2 pounds, so I'm gonna need them to like give me back my couple $3-4 or whatever, I guess. But 2 pounds of fresh salmon, which I'm going to portion and freeze. Dang, I forgot to get plastic bags, so I'm gonna have to get that. But yeah, I'm gonna portion these out and freeze them separately and stuff, because that's how I like my salmon. So when I'm like ready to cook, I'll cook as I go. I got some whole wheat tortillas. I got me 4 cucumbers. 4 cucumbers. Let me show y'all the brand of tortilla. I mean, it's $3.65. They are from Whole Foods, so it's that brand. Let's see. I got some marinara sauce and stuff because I'm gonna make me some pizza. With my other stuff in here. I got me some spelts, lentils, and brown rice. Oh, it's just a pouch. How many servings? This looks like it's about like 2-3 servings. Oh, it's one? No, can't be. This like 2-3 servings. But I never had spelts or lentils. I have a can of lentils, but I want to make like I seen something that I want to make the lentils with and stuff. But this should be interesting. So I had got this just to like try something new, something different. But yeah, it don't matter my nails, y'all. I'm finna do them. And then I got my apple cider vinegar because yeah, your girl need it. Going through the detoxification. And then, damn, that's it. Spent like $100. Jesus. But anyway, that's all I got from Whole Foods so far. And then y'all see my cart back there, which I gotta take back down, but I'm gonna take it down when my other order comes because I'm not gonna keep going up and down, up and down. But I just got me a case of 40 water from Sam's Club using my mama membership because Sam's Club is good for the bulk. And I be drinking 40 waters pretty fast. So I had got me another case of that. And then I had got me something to like sip on a party. Some Terramana Reposado tequila. And that was only $20. And for a fifth. And I was like, period, Sam's Club, y'all be coming in clutch. But yeah, so that's what I got so far. When my second order of food get here, of groceries get here and stuff like that, I'm gonna show y'all what I got from that order. And then I'm going to just prep myself for like a nice wind down, relaxing night because I'm like exhausted. Like I had a company happy hour yesterday and your girl went a little too hard with the coworkers. Like we were toasted. So yeah. Oh, I want to show y'all. Yeah, I want to show y'all what this guy that I'm dating got me. I look like this and stuff, and he knew that I was like having a very exhausting day. And mind you, the man is working, and he literally like took a break and ran around Chicago, downtown Chicago, and got me. Let me show y'all. He's a pretty engine, y'all. They're so pretty and they're so healthy. Look at them. All of things from Amazon Fresh. I got some white sliced mushroom. Can y'all see it? The light bright. Yeah, some white sliced mushrooms. I got me a 4-cheese pizza blend because, like I said, I am gonna make me a pizza. I'm probably gonna show y'all how I make my homemade pizza from scratch. I got some more Italian style cheese and some Mexican cheese. Now, if you know these two, go platinum in my house. So hold on, y'all. My sister called me. Hello. I got some feta cheese. I got some heavy whipping cream. The pizza dough that I'm gonna use. Imitation crab. Y'all remember when I said I was gonna make me a seafood one? I'm gonna make me one with my imitation crab with it too. I got me a berry blend. Well, a berry grape and pine. Like, you know, just some fruit mix. And I told her earlier, because she always act like she don't remember what our conversations be like. I said I'm either gonna do it in a couple hours or tomorrow. Cutty Cuts. This is the lime margarita one. And then I got the mango one up in there. Yeah. Ooh. I got some rotini pasta, some fettuccine pasta, and some farfalle pasta or farfalle pasta, however you pronounce that. But I like that pasta too. Got me some basic olive oil, some ranch for the wings and that pizza. And I like the easy squeeze because it's just like, it be mess free and it be just easy. I got some rusted potatoes. Yeah. And I got me, oh, I'm so excited to try this on my pizza too. I got me some chili crunch oil. Ew. And then last but not least, I got my baby. Why did they give me 2 baby broccoli? I did not ask for that. But I had 2 baby broccolis, I guess. And then I got more broccoli and cauliflower. Whatever. But yeah, so that's what I got from there. And honestly, shopping on Amazon Fresh is so like affordable too. Like if y'all like an Aldi's girly like me, also like Aldi's and Amazon Fresh be having like some deals. Like you can catch some good stuff and whatever like that. Like all this I call for like a decent price and stuff compared to like other places that I would have went. But yeah, I'm gonna put that away and I'm finna get started on like unwinding. So I'm going here and we're going to make my pizza. So I like to use the Pillsbury dough crust because I like square pizza. But you can use whatever pizza dough you want. I prefer this. But I don't even let me see. I might have to make like 2 of them to be honest. So, woo! I hate when it do that, and I knew it was gonna happen. Okay, so I'm gonna open that up, but beforehand, I'm going to use a little drizzle whizzle of olive oil. Everything is brand new, so it's gonna take me a while. God damn, this is not open. There you go. I'm like, what? No. No. Bro. Yeah, I'm watching Big Brother, so I need to hurry up. I'm letting the little thing play out. So anyway, so I finally got the olive oil, okay? I'm gonna drizzle a little bit on the actual pan. And, oh, that is dirty. It's washing. And we're just gonna, it's my stuff, so we're just gonna do it that way. Gonna coat the bottom of the pan. I had a little spatchy, but I guess it's being washed. And the rest of it is pretty self-explanatory.
This nomination ceremony
Time will bring the real end of our trial. Day there'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me. Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always love you. I hope you feel the same. Oh, baby, dirty, gave us away. Toy with my affliction, had to fill out my prescription. 'Cause the remedy I had to set you free. Away from you to see clearly the way that love can be when you are not with me. I had to live, I had to live, I had to leave, I had to live. Love set you free to fly your pretty wings around. Wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings, pretty wings. Love set you free to fly your pretty wings around. Wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings. I came wrong, you were right. Transformed your love into life. Baby, believe me, I'm sorry I told you lies. I turned day into night, sleep till I die 1,000 times. I should have shown you better nights, better times, better days. I miss you more and more. As you let love song go through your pretty wings around. Pretty wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings around. Pretty wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings, and pretty wings, oh pretty wings, yeah. Pretty wings, your pretty wings, oh someone that is gonna love you. Someone's gonna love you, baby. Pretty wings, your pretty wings around.
VIP.
Just wanna be your girl. And I wonder if you even
Tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, back it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up, break it up.
Yo, brought out the pink Lamborghini, just a race for China. What the race to China? Just a race in China. Little bad Trini bitch, but she mixed with China. Real thick vagina, smuggle bricks to China. I tell my niggas, cut the check, bust it out, and turn your goofy down. All these splits on it, yes, I'm a bad bitch, I'ma throw it. I'ma bust it open, go stupid, I don't get honey, cookie on tsunami. All my niggas like me once they get that good punani. I think he need the bunny, I might just let them find me. Never trust a big butt, and the smile of the Ronnie. Rep queen like supreme, ass web and nitty. Ass bring me in chow, nigga run me my dough. This game is freezing like it wait in the cow. Nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't a cow.
I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, break it up, break it up, break it up, bag 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 it up. I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, bag it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up, break it up, break it up. Well, I'm the dope boy, the one they talking about. All these gunsman ass niggas got my name in their mouth. I know the bad bitches, but no niggas who bitches too. They should bleed once a month, cause that what these bitches do. You a bitch, and your bitch should expose you. All that pillow talking, nigga, that what the hoes do. You a bitch. Word to my nigga short, we won't never write no statement. We ain't showing up in court. I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, back it up, back it up. Fuck it up, 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 break it up, break it up, break it up.
Okay, so I'm back because the pizza is like practically done. I'm gonna leave it in there for a little while I fry up. Oops, wrong one. While I fry up my wings. So I am gonna do buffalo and teriyaki because I just really want to try the teriyaki, and I don't want to have to wake up at like 3 in the morning like, oh, let me cook this. So I'm gonna do a few of each. But y'all, these buffaloes, y'all just don't know love until y'all have some of these buffaloes. Hey y'all, welcome back and welcome also. I'm trying to be more consistent, and I say that every single time, guys. I say that every single time, and then don't be consistent. I mean, I don't know, I be having creativity block and I don't be knowing what to put out or whatever, but oh, that's the bathroom. But I am about to run to the store really quick and pick up something, and then I have my building is hosting like a harvest fall festival thingy and whatever, so gonna go to that. I'm trying to see if my friend gonna come and whatever, because my sisters said no, that they didn't want to come. So therefore, I'm gonna see if they're gonna come. I mean, if my friend gonna come or whatever. If not, then I'm gonna just be up there painting my pumpkin with my headphones on because I'm a very antisocial bunny. But yeah, so come to me while I go to the store real quick, which is nothing but like a block away. So I'm finna just walk. I have walked MJ. Don't talk about my baby. My baby gotta get his medicine. I gotta pick that up next week. I'm gonna ask if his auntie can pick it up for me. And because she's supposed to be coming over Friday, so I'll see if she could go pick it up for me Wednesday or Thursday. I should probably ask her now. And I'm out. I should go ahead and walk to Walgreens. That's yeah, Walgreens is up to shit, so I might as well just go to Walgreens and get what I need to get while I'm out right now. And yeah. Because somebody lost their motherfucking boot last night. It's actually a nice day today, and that's concerning because, guys, like, I don't understand why it's this hot and we in October. It's supposed to be cold. But I'm not complaining, but I'm complaining because, like, it's like very confusing on the outfit choices because I want to be in my gloomy clothes, but then I be seeing people outside in their summer shit still, and I be like, that is not in season, and I don't want to be that girl, but I am. I could have crossed the street, but I'm just crossing. I get up there, get my wine, and then because y'all, the wine that I was gonna get, cause I like my little cheap stuff, it gets you what it needs to go. But the wine that I was gonna get, it was $10 at Walgreens. Last night I went to, not Walgreens, CVS. Last night I had came to Walgreens to get that and some or whatever, and it was $7, like $6.50.
Is there a lot of like exams?
So I'm like, I might as well just go back and get what I know it's gonna be at. To be honest, these motherfucking cars low key be flying. So, and then yeah, I keep saying 1 year I'm gonna train for the marathon, and I know I be lying to myself. Oh, lady, it's probably horrible, guys. Thank you. So, you know, out of curiosity, oh. Yeah. Did the sale expire? I'm gagged. Anyway, y'all know that little saying that, goddamn, my bad. Y'all know that saying on TikTok when it's like, you're never truly alone because there's always a white woman in your business. Dog. But no, I truly, absolutely despise when a person is standing way too fucking close to me. And it's probably also extra amped up because it's that time of the month too, on my irritation level and aggravation level and annoyance level. But I don't understand why her ass decided that she wanted to come and be in everybody else's fucking personal space when it was hella fucking room for her ugly ass to stand like in the middle of the elevator way more. But you know what? I digress. Good, how are you?
Good. Coming straight to the bar?
Right.
I love it. You know what's up? I have 2 cocktails. One's a whiskey sour with apple and chai, and then I have a vodka cocktail with blackberries, pecan, and lemon.
Which one is better?
I am not a whiskey drinker, so
Yeah, can I do vodka?
the vodka cocktail for me.
I'll try the vodka too.
All right. I mean, the whiskey one is good, but I just can't do whiskey.
No, I can't either. B's still alive?
I know, they're just these
Like, go away.
They've been in my hair. They've been like, I have a towel somewhere. Oh, I had it in my pants, and it was like in the towel.
Like, go away. These are too strong.
I'm like, what are you doing? It's October.
Right.
Go away.
You had your
Come back
season.
next year, yeah. There you are. Let's get these straws.
Thank you.
Oh, the cute little pumpkin
I
straw.
know,
I know, it's so
adorable.
cute.
They're so cute. Cheers.
Thank you. Now I want to do a
Let
pumpkin.
me do me a little video.
Okay, let me see if I can find a closer outlet. Hey, ladies.
Hi.
Grab any size, anything that looks cute and pretty. You can take the big boys, you can take the little ones.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Some water cups, they might just be floating around, but if you do want to paint and stuff, we've got some options up there too. To grab a little kit and make it cute.
Awesome.
Hey,
Thank you.
you.
This is so cute. I don't know if I want a big boy.
I want a big one. No, I want a big one. But should I get? Oh, I think I want this one.
We don't have to do one by one bag.
I know. Yeah.
I don't know how I'm gonna get that home. So I'm gonna give me a little like. I like this size.
Or should I get that one?
Shit.
I'm overdoing it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I need this one though. You think you can carry both?
This one's.
Yeah. But then you don't have a little stem.
I know.
Maybe a little straw.
Oh, this one is cute.
That's so cute.
Wait, which one? This one or this one? Probably this one.
This is like, what is there better to do on a Saturday?
Or the Frankenstein one. This is cute. I don't know. I'm gonna decide which
I'm gonna do
one.
these eyes, but no. I think those are cute enough. And then I got a brush, but we're gonna need like a few
It's a
brushes.
brush up in the thingy too.
Oh, it is. Oh, then I only need one brush. But how are we gonna get these on? Is there supposed to be? Isn't it supposed to be like we glue these on?
Yeah.
So I probably won't get those then because I'm gonna glue it on. Unless the paint don't have them stick.
Maybe.
That's a possibility. I'm gonna do this. He over there talking to the Asian lady, looking all at my little booty. Now get your little blinky in sound. Unless you got some money.
Oh.
I just made that up. Like, it's my own diagnosis.
They like asked me to get tested for it. Hey, how are you guys? Oh, I love your shirt.
I love the Sony. Is that the ZV-1? Sick,
Yeah.
sick.
Thank
I've got its
you.
big brother.
Feel free to help yourself to any of the caramel apples. We have sprinkles, pretzels, caramel, M&Ms, and then at the bottom of that basket, there's some fudge ones. So it's caramel and fudge.
Oh, I want that one.
Which one is that one?
But I want that one.
No.
The pretzel ones are really good if you like something sweet and salty. M&Ms are good if you like the texture. Same with the sprinkles. Yeah.
It looks like exciting.
There's also knives and
Baby girl, what's your name? Let me talk to you, let me buy you a drink. I'm T-Pain, you know me. Convict music, never boy. I know the club, rose at 3. What's the chance that you rolling with me? Back to the green, so you how I lead it. Let's get drunk, get what we did. I'ma buy you a drink.
respect, big pimpin'. Tell me how you feel, mama, tell me what you see. A certified diabetes deserve Louis 1-3. 150 a shot, 3 for you and 3 for me. I'm checking your body language, I love the conversation. And when you lick your lips, I get a tingling sensation. Now we're both by tipsy, you say you in the mood. All I need is about an hour, better yet maybe 2. Let me take you where I live, Ferrari switch gears. When I whisper in your ear, your legs hit the chandelier. Passion fruit and sex all in the atmosphere. I'ma let T-Pain sing so he can make it clear.
I'ma buy you a drink. I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. I be in the great Cadillac. We in the bed like ooh, 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 ooh. We in the bed like ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's get gone.
I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I want that it impact that we grow now, baby. I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate. You got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew it from the start, there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby.
Let me tell ya, I can do if you give me a chance. You got something special, I can tell just by the way you dance. The way you move, girl, you're looking like you practice in the mirror. If you know the things that I could do for your career, girl, you're one in a million, babe. Wanna help you make it superstar. I don't wanna manage you, but I wanna
when I'm lonely, baby. It's like my friends don't know me. Girl, it used to be my homie. Left me with a dream, she saw me. Even the dreams get lonely. Left me here, 3 in the morning, questioning all the things you told me. That lost me in the morning. Baby, if you need it, show it. And if you ever needed a warning, I got you, you know this. And if you ever home alone, you need a little company, I'll sleep right over. Baby, I'll be right over. Invite me right over. I said I know we ain't on the same page no more. And that's a shame that we ain't we used to be so close. Yes, I'm down and I'm drowning in my sorrows, baby. Hey, yeah, you don't miss me, babe. Come on, why you trying to miss me, babe? There's been somebody else since me, babe. Think I might do the same, don't tempt me, baby. Get the party and get friendly. Honestly, no, I don't got it in me. It's no fun when you're not here with me. It's no fun when you're not here with me, yeah. Yet you tell me there's no way. Yes, you tell me there's no way. It's like how you feel, girl. I see you around here with them. Trust me, guess it's over now. If you think I don't know right now, can we slow it down and sort it out?